See this is what you get when there's nothing good in stock. But yesterday, I was giving someone a lift in this car, and he kept saying, even though we're going straight, why is your driving so wobbly? So I sat and assessed my driving, because it is wobbly. So I thought, why is it so wobbly? Why am I swerving everywhere? Am I drunk? And then I realised I'm in autopilot, because there's that many potholes in the UK. Because of the bad weather and all that, the potholes just build up, but they never seem to get fixed. When I've eaten breakfast, we're literally just going to drive over all the potholes and not avoid them. They say Derbyshire's got the most potholes in the UK. That's not too far from here. So we'll head there. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's 1, 6. And it's looking smooth now. 7. Oh, here. 8. Boom. 9, 10. All right, now it's actually looking smooth. Oh, hang on. Boys, this road is a gem. You ready? Look at what? There's 1. Lost count now. Bang, bang. That's 3 there. Bang, 4. Big one here. 5. Been on the road for about 10 seconds, mate. Gutters count as potholes. The gutter's in a pothole, so I think it counts. This is a nice one. Good wide variety here. Oh, that was a big one. You don't really notice them until you're looking out for them. Then you realise that the road has got acne. Alright, now it's smooth. Never mind. Right, that's only about, not even a mile. That ain't a mile, that's about half a mile long. Oh, here's some, you ready? I don't know if the camera's doing these justice. Yeah, I'm just so used to avoiding them. I think because previous cars I've had have all had low profile tyres and they're low cars. And I put a bit of money into them. But now I'm in a 10-year-old dinger, so. Oh, you must have heard that. Brace. That ain't even a pothole, that's just straight up a hole in the road. What's like aircon's on today? Recording 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes this camera's been on. I wonder how many we've hit. This one's smooth like a baby's bottom. Don't have to analyse the road for a bit. Oh, another one. Oh, I missed them all. How did I miss them all? I had one job. You know, there was too much. I was too spoiled for choice. There was too much to choose from, but I couldn't make my mind up on one. That road that I just been on has just done so much self-harming. I weren't filming though, so I don't know how I'm supposed to prove it to you. Oh. Yeah, we're in Derby. Statistically, it should be bad now. But to be honest, we haven't had any since we came in. Oh, there's one. Oh, every video, man.
I'm from Resources. I would like to discuss a job with you. Please add my number on WhatsApp.
Well, you sound enthusiastic. Look at all the polite people saying thank you, scratching my back, I'm scratching theirs. This is a lovely road, isn't it? Lovely views as well. Oh, there was one. Yep, that was a big one. Quite gutted, you know, that was smoother than I thought. Oh, bloody hell. Look at my sensible driving today. Well, there's a dock. Bro, just move to the side. How are you running forward? You've got no survival instinct. Oh, here's one. Naughty. Another one. Should we just produce a car crash, innit? That f it, bro. You only live once, innit? There's one. Okay, that just hit the bumper. That didn't even hit the wheel. Naughty pothole. We're currently in the pothole, mate. Even the car's saying it. Of course, bro. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. I'm gonna do that again. Now I'm gonna mount the curbs. We gotta wait for a more flat ground. Yo, Derby Council, sort it out. Well, oh no, this one looks smooth. Actually, no, it doesn't. Just boot it. No, it was smooth. Oh, that's beautiful, bro. That was bad. It's even worse. I'll go in there anyway though, because of this bloke. You could have timed it a bit better. Oh! Now that was bad. Those are sharp. Wait, why am I having fun? Yo, I'm an advocate for potholes. We need more potholes in the UK. Can't lie, I've just found a new passion, but this time I think I'm gonna whack it in sport. There we go. I'm such a good driver. 1, 2, 3, fuck it. Oh, it's a pigeon. We gotta avoid the pigeon. Yo, what are you doing? Guy tried to claim on me. Should we just go in there? F it. Close my eyes. Yeah, that's fine. That wasn't that bad actually. That was quite a smooth one. Can't say the same for this though. Wait, let me. What has happened to my mirror, by the way? Oh, bro, come on. You had one job. Boys, I can't lie. It's all gone wrong. And we're outside of school. How are we constantly filming outside of school? And that mirror's broken. It just isn't staying in one place. But there you go. It's possible. Drove around for this long, and I've now got a chunk out my tyre and a flat tyre. Probably shouldn't have driven on that pothole. No, it's actually punctured. Right, someone's had a bite out of my Continental. That weren't there before. On top of that, yeah, it's flat. Wait, look, it's flat, mate. You see how this one's got a boner? This one's flat. I'm outside of primary school. I need to pattern up. Job done. I don't think it really counts as a pothole though. Oh, that's annoying, innit? I've got a chunk out my tyre and a flat tyre. You know what else I've got? An RNG. Yeah, you see that? Long day, bro. Long day. But I think it's just going down. I can't lie, I think it's just going straight out. Bro, what an interesting end to the video.